Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this playlist, your myEcon full business review for 2025. Everything you need to know about myEcon product, services, compensation plan, the overview, and of course, everything that you're going to get with our team when you join me or a member of my team. Over $11,000 in free value with the done for you system. Sales funnels, a proven and documented method to building and growing your team, as well as wallet and commissions with your myEcon business. Now, without further ado, obviously, if you haven't seen any of the other videos in this playlist, if you're just coming into this halfway, maybe you just came across this video here, link in the description down below this video. Whether you're on a tablet or a desktop device, you'll be able to see that link, open up, and you'll see this playlist right here. The link to that will get you right here to what you see on your screen right now. And you could check out the entire business from the full business overview, which is the very first video and goes over everything about myEcon, all their products, the compensation plan, everything. Second video is how you get over $11,000 in free value, and then it just goes down from there. And we're covering every single one of the products and services that are available to you inside of your myEcon business. So I've gone over almost all of them, and now we're diving into the Cashflow Manager. And this specific product, this is going to tie directly into utilizing the other products and services that myEcon has. And if you haven't picked up on this theme yet, a lot of these products and services all kind of work hand in hand together. So as I mentioned in a previous video, when you are utilizing the products and services here, when you activate your business with myEcon, you are now a home-based business owner, okay? Once you become a home-based business owner and you get out there and you start promoting your business, you are now attempting to make a profit. You can now qualify for up to 200 tax deductions per year. I've covered that in other videos. Now, here's where that comes into play specifically in this video. As you're out there working your business, you can now start keeping track of all of your tax deductions. Anything that you're out there spending money on that could be considered a tax deductible expense with your home-based business. Your cash flow manager is how you're going to keep track of all of those business expenses, okay? So this is a great tool here because you can pull this up right in an app on your phone, or you can utilize the desktop version as well. Now, what I would suggest is with all myEcon products and services, there is an overview video that you're going to want to watch. You're going to just want to have basic understanding, the fundamentals of how everything works. And then you can actually go into the cash flow manager on the desktop version here. There's also instructions, and they let you know how you can download the actual cash flow manager app on your phone. But I'm going to go ahead and open up the actual cash flow manager here. I'm obviously going to block out some things just because, you know, my personal deets and all that other stuff. But this is where you get access to that, all of your tools, everything you need to utilize here. And this is where you start keeping track of all of your business expenses. So whether you have personal expenses, business expenses, you could use the app to take pictures of receipts. Anything that you are spending money on, again, that could be considered a tax deductible expense. You're going to be able to access that here and keep track of that here inside of your cash flow manager. Now, here is probably one of the most important elements that you need to know and understand. And this is going to come tax time. This is how you save big money. This is how you utilize this cash flow manager to help you save money. So once you are here, this is what you're going to do at the end of the year. As an example, you're going to have all of your expenses listed out here for the entire year. Now, at the end of the year, what you're going to do is you're going to be able to print a CSV file or just simply save a file. You can email the file, you can print it out, you can bring it to specifically a tax appointment if you have one. But there's literally a little print icon right here, and you can actually print out all of your expenses. And the best part is it's going to make this really simple and easy for your tax professional. And I would strongly suggest that you do use a tax professional when handling your taxes, especially if you are filing as a home-based business owner. Let a professional do that. And also, that information right there is going to be in another video here in this business review for myEcon for 2025, they launched a new product called ViroTax. I'm going to have that video in here. So if you're looking for a professional, someone that knows home-based business really well, that could also be available to you inside of your myEcon members area. So you're going to be able to take your expenses that you want to claim, that you want to use as tax deductions, utilize the cash flow manager, print everything out, give that to your tax professional, and let them go to work and save you money. It's as simple as that. So I know obviously with my personal info here on the screen, you're not going to be able to see everything that I'm talking about here. But again, all of these resources and tools are available to you with your myEcon business right through your myEcon members area. So everything that you need to really be the best version of yourself, to be the best home-based business owner possible, increasing your take-home pay, decreasing your debt, increasing your credit, decreasing your taxes. Please utilize the myEcon membership, my friend. That is what it's there for. And they're all available for you right at your fingertips, either in an app on your phone or right on your desktop or tablet. So that is it for today, my friend. That is it for this video. If you have not gone through any other videos in the playlist, please link in the description down below. Make sure that you go ahead and do that. You understand literally everything that's available to you. All of this entire playlist, everything you see here, you get all of these products and services all for literally less than $100 to get started. You're going to get over $11,000 in free value just by joining me directly or someone on our team. And plain and simple, my friend, we're going to help you win. So if you made it to this point in the video, haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that. Also ring the bell, get notified anytime I upload new content here to this playlist or my channel. You will be the first to know. If you need to get started, if you're ready to get started, link in the description down below and grab that link. Go ahead, get started. I don't care what level you come in at, just get started. That is the most important part. If you have any questions for me, left my phone number right there at the top of the video. Go ahead, send me a text and ask me anything. Thank you for watching this business review, my friend. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next one.